So as the story goes, I am back. Yeah. Actually, I made this video last week. It's a beautiful video. And in that video, I told you about how happy I was. Yeah. How much improvement I've made. Yeah. My voice is getting better. Yeah. I'm waking up with horrendous headaches. It's really tough. You see me smiling, right? Because during the day, the headaches get better. The more I stand, the more gravity pulls down the fluid, the more the shunt works. In fact, I'm hearing the shunt work. It goes whoosh. That's good news, right? So great news. In fact, I'm going to tag that video, which I have not published, to this video. And then, my voice. And this is the lingering issue, my voice. If you remember, during the surgery, unfortunately, they had to do a third incision and my vocal cords got nicked, resulting in the left vocal cord paralyzed. And at first I was told, in 2 weeks it will be fine. And I thought, okay. And then I had, excuse me, excuse me, that may happen again, so I apologize. I had sort of like an identity crisis. Oh, what am I gonna do? I can't talk. I can't call out for help. But I decided 2 weeks I can live through it, right? Not having a voice when someone like me, so used to talking, so used to communicating, having friends, having conversations daily. Even during the pandemic, I was Zooming with everybody. Oh, I so made it through. I was like proud of myself. This was like, wow. I had a voice. I realized how much I identify with my voice. And people that hadn't seen me in years, they recognized me through the timbre, through the sound of my voice. Wow. I was so happy. I don't know if you can tell how much energy I'm using to use my voice. And then I crashed. It's been almost 2 months, a month and a half, almost 2 months since the surgery. I've been having swallowing and vocal therapy. My voice is better, but there's this coughing. I've been getting coughing attacks, and they've been getting worse and worse and worse. Now, they've become major attacks in the morning and in the evening. Please, if you experience this, please write to me. Please let me know what it is. I must say, therapists are a little bewildered. They don't know. There's the hope that it means that I'm regaining sensation in that paralyzed nerve, in that paralyzed side, but nobody knows. And the more I cough, the more my other condition, the myasthenia gravis, is kicking in. The more my diaphragm is exhausted, the more I'm exhausted, the more I'm having to spend time in bed throughout the day. And it's really affecting me psychologically. The less dreams I'm having, or the less I believe my dreams can come true. It's demoralizing. I'm gonna get through this. Oh, I'm gonna get through this. Oh man, I'm gonna get through this. But it's really wreaking havoc in me. So the big news is that yesterday I was told, stop talking, which is really my fear. Stop talking, and when you do, talk very soft. Not whisper, not allowed to whisper, but talk really soft. Even this is talking loud. Which means How am I going to do my YouTubes? How am I going to talk in Zoom with my friends? How am I going to communicate? Of course, immediately I freaked out. Yesterday was a freak out day. Quietly, I didn't want to bother anybody, but I freaked out. And how do you freak out if you can't talk? At least for me, this is, hello, you freak out and you, So I don't know if this is some kind of message from the universe saying, okay, learn to talk only when it's extremely necessary. Right speech. Buddhism. Right speech. Excuse me. So sorry. So I began to do my work yesterday. Meditation, all alternative medicine. Western medicine is doing as much as it can do. I began to do GSR, which is a technique of self-development. I will be talking to you more about that, especially if you're interested, obviously. So this is what I ask. I'm always asking you things. You are my community. What would I do without you? I ask that you support me, that you keep subscribing, that you hit the bell, the like. All this is helping me so much. Thank you. That you take a breath from me. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will try to ask my tech people. I don't know at all what I'm doing. I don't do any of this. And I will try to put a link to the breath thing. And I ask you to think of me. Just think of me. Helps. And when I say think of me, I'm talking about thinking about the whole collective. About thinking about anybody in this world who is suffering. Because it isn't just me. I know that. I am so aware of that. And not only that, I'm so blessed because in the midst of all this, I'm still smiling. I'm still happy and I'm still blessed. So please don't ever think that I am unlucky. And I know that. I'm here just to tell you my story. I'm here to tell you my experience. And I'm here because I know so many of you out there may have your own story. You may have your own story, whether it's arthritis, whether it's a VP and VA shunt, with hydrocephalus, with idiopathic intracranial hypertension, whether it's, your lower back aches, anything, with chronic pain, with not being able to talk. We all have something, and that something unites us. So I ask you to hold my hand, because we're all here together. A kiss, many, many hugs from my heart. Until next time.